I've been using orbital and belt sanders on my projects for years. Now this is Craftsman's newest 21-inch belt sander, which is great for big and really flat surfaces, but sometimes I want something that's smaller and more versatile for irregular shaped items. Well, something like this. So check this out, guys. It's something brand new called the Craftsman Restorer. You can kind of think of it like a belt sander, but without this big old flat belt on the bottom, or an orbit sander that is quite a bit more versatile, or one of these grinding wheels but covers a much wider surface. So in reality, it's unlike any of these tools and kind of stands in a category unto itself. So what can the Restorer do? It's a sander, of course, but there are additional attachments available. While the tool comes with one sanding sleeve to get you started, you can also pick up a 5-pack of additional sanding sleeves, this brutal stainless steel wire wheel, and a rust and paint removal wheel. Now come to think of it, I could have used this tool and these two attachments a few months ago when we were grinding down the frame of my C10 on motors. It would have come in real handy. The Restorer has a quick latch system, so changing the accessories is easy. I mean, just look how simple this is. You release both of the hasps. The one on the left acts as a hinge, so once you release the one on the right, just pull the cover up and flip it over to the left. Then the roller comes out really easy. Now here's where there's some really cool engineering tech behind this product. As you can see, this attachment is about the same diameter as the roller. This is by design. You just can't push it on because once you do, you want it to stay on there and not slide. So instead, you set the sleeve on top and then using both hands, twist the sleeve in a counterclockwise direction so it grabs the roller. This causes the roller to shrink in size a bit, allowing you to slide the attachment right on. Unlike a traditional orbit or sheet sander that traps the material underneath it and just kind of smooshes it all around, the Restorer flicks it into this collection area into the back of it, so all you need to do is hook up your vacuum to the dust port to keep your work area and your shop clean. Its pistol grip design allows you to operate the tool with one hand, and it's got a front palm grip so you can use two hands, or if you need to work on vertical surfaces or overhead. It's also got a variable speed control for its 4-amp gear drive motor that allows you to change it from its lowest setting of 1, which is 1000 RPM, all the way to max, which is 3200 RPM. It also has a lock-on button to reduce hand fatigue when working on those bigger jobs. You can use the Restorer on wood, metal, cement, and a whole lot of other surfaces, and it's perfect for irregular surfaces because of that small amount of contact surface area. You can put this thing just about anywhere. Well, enough talk about how cool this thing is. Let's find out how well it actually works. I've got a couple of test surfaces to try it out on, including my old dash from my '69 C10 pickup truck. Let's scrape some of the paint off of that thing. This is going to be fun. The new Craftsman Restorer is fast and easy to use, and its innovative design allows you to quickly change attachments. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space. It does the work of 3 tools, so it takes up even less space, and it works on a variety of surfaces, even those irregular shaped ones. I am thoroughly impressed. Well, thanks for watching. I've got a link in the description, and I'll catch you next time for another one.